The buds of the blackthorn bush are about to open, but within its thorny branches, something else is breaking out of its cocoon. A small emperor moth. It climbs up the stem to pump up its wings. The feathery antennae indicate that it's a male. He will use them to pick up the scent of a mate. The larger cocoons are those of the females. They will emerge a few days later. The female has the same large eye spots as the male, but not the broad antennae. And at the end of her abdomen, a special gland emits an enticing perfume. It will attract males from several kilometers away.